Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. And while it may look like I'm about to drop a hot mixtape right now, I've got something better for you. I've got a walkthrough on an all-new Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard. Let's get this party started, shall we? 19-foot boat. I'm a full-grown man. You can see I've got my legs fully extended, got room for yourself and another adult. Cruise up here on the bow, soaking in the sun, having a good time. That's what it's all about, right? Up here we've got the combination dash getting more and more popular. Mixture between the analog gauges and the Simrad Go 5 unit. Fusion head unit up here, Bluetooth capable. I don't care what you listen to, if it's Nicki Minaj, Jimmy Buffett, a little bit of Tupac. I don't care, I won't judge. Have some fun, crank the tunes. Got a blue bimini, goes really nice with the hull side colors and the whole bottom being blue. Blue on blue on blue. I'm gonna call this boat the Blue Dragon. Heard it here first. Down on the port side, we've got loads of storage. Down beneath, or up in the glove compartment, which does lock. Sea Ray's always been known for their attention to detail, where other boat builders will lack, whether it's a finished fiberglass down in the bilge, or even the little things like the stainless steel upgrade on this boat with all the little fixtures. It's those little things that make the difference. Hanging out back here, it's easy to see why this is a perfect family boat. With the sun pad, the swim platform, the power sports pole, there's nothing that this boat can't do when it's related to family fun. Sorry you guys thought I was gone. Of course I wouldn't leave without talking about the Mercury engine. Back here we've got 115 horsepower Pro XS. Real snappy engine, gets you out of the hole, plenty of horsepower. Once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, I'm out. Cannonball! Woo!